Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your business name in GoDaddy. Whether you're rebranding or just updating your information, this process is quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the browser on your mobile device and head to www.godaddy.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your account name or the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, which is located in between the Add to Cart and Help option. And now, from this drop-down menu, click on the Account setting, which is inside the Account section. In the Account setting, scroll down to the option saying Organization and click on it. This is where you can update your business name. Now, click on the text box and enter the new organization name. Once you have entered the new organization name, click on the Update option. Now your business name will be updated in the system and you will see it reflected in your account setting and your GoDaddy dashboard. And that's it. You have successfully changed your business name in GoDaddy. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment down if you have any query. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.